On today's episode, I'm going to have an empty box that'll be way too big to fit up on that shelf. From the video description, I think you know where I've bought, haven't you? Let's do the old unboxing and setting up. Stay tuned! Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ixes on Tech. I am Ixes, of course. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. Today I have bought something that will replace these two old monitors, my 22-inch LG and a 20-inch LG that's not even full HD. That one is. They have a 1 millisecond response time, but I just want something bigger, brighter, and much higher resolution. So what have I bought? The new Samsung Ultrawide got delivered today, and the box is so heavy. Oh, hang on, it's coming. Oh, there we go. The Samsung, I had to write it down and stick it below the camera, by the way. The Samsung LS34J550WQUXEN 34-inch ultra-wide WQHD. WQHD, you're thinking, what on earth does that stand for? It's QHD, which is Quad HD, but it's W, so it's wide Quad HD. And I was thinking, well, I'm sure 4K is like 3840 by, is it 2960 or something? Well, this is 3440 3440 pixels by 1440 pixels. I've been wanting an ultrawide for ages to replace those two monitors there, so I can spread out my timeline when I'm video editing. So I got the scissors. Which way is up? That way. Tell you what, this way is a ton, by the way. Yeah, I got this from eBuyer. It was an offer, £299. Now this is the 60 Hz model, which is designated by the 550 model number. The 552 is the 75 Hz model. It's got some instructions on there about the control stick. It's got a HDMI, it's got a 2-prong power adapter, some instructions. I think that's part of the stand. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. That's the plug. That's the base. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a normal 3-prong UK plug. But then on the back, it's got a horizontal line and a vertical line. What have we got over here? Oh wow, what was that for a wall wart? For a power supply, 59 watts. Okay, done. That's very Apple-esque, isn't it? Yeah, and there's just a normal jack connector. Oh, it's not actually, because it's got a pin on the inside as well. Okay, oh, I'm gonna have to stand up for this one, I'm afraid. Hi, my name's Polystyrene. It's the back of the monitor, hold it by the edge. Hold it by the edge. So this has two HDMIs, a DisplayPort, and a headphone jack. And I've seen some reviews on eBuyer saying, oh, it's my HDMI cable and the graphics card detects it's got speakers on there, but no, it's not detecting the speakers. It's detecting the headphone jack. So it can pump the audio through the HDMI and then through the headphone jack on the back. So let's have a look at the stand. I just hope there are no dead pixels on this. I think that's everybody's worst nightmare, isn't it, when they get a new monitor and it's got a dead pixel. We do need a screwdriver. Now where's that other bit gone? This bit? Oh, luckily in my camera bag I have a screwdriver. There it is. So that's going to slot into there. Screws already in place. Good one. And this, we'll just pop in there. Keep that on there. Ta-da! Right. So this is VisaMount 100 by 100. I don't know whether or not to invest in one of those desk poles to stand it up higher. I'm suspecting this will be a little bit low for my liking, and I have to tilt it back. And what happens when you tilt a monitor back? It gathers dust. So if you keep the monitor perfectly vertical but the right height, then it's not going to get any dust on it, is it? On the screen. Right, here we go. Raining polystyrene. How does that look? All smashed, is it? Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh, nice silver accent along the bottom. Borders don't look too thick either, do they? What do you people think? Yay? Nay? Oh, it is tiltable. Whew, I was going to break it then. Okay, so I'm going to set this up. I'm going to dismantle those two monitors, a 22 and a 20-inch monitor. Clear the desk, give it a little bit of a wipe down as well, because you know how dusty computer areas can be. And then plug this thing in and see how good it looks. Apparently needs some color calibration at the box, but let's have a look. One monitor be gone. Second monitor be gone. Picked up the wrong way. Ooh. Ooh, blue light. There we go, all set up. Looks so much better than before, doesn't it? A little mark. Right, so how would you turn this on? There's a little button on the back. HDMI 1. HDMI 2. Oh, look at that stretch picture. Display settings. Oh. Ooh. I like this. Let's see what Vegas looks like. My editing program, I use Vegas 17 Pro. Let's wait for it to load up. Look at that timeline. Wow. Wow, I'm loving all the space. You know what, the colours don't look too bad. So I bought a DisplayPort cable. I was able to get 75 Hz refresh rate. How amazing is that? So here's a look at the menus and options that you have with this monitor. As you can see on this bit, this was before I got the DisplayPort cable. It's plugged in via HDMI, so it's still showing a 60 Hz refresh rate. Well, less I'm going to have to make myself a new background for the monitor anyway. So this is the Samsung LS34J550WQUXEN 34-inch ultra-wide monitor by Samsung, which is 3440 by 1440p. 34-inch monitor. It's got a 40 millisecond grade to grayscale, so it's not the fastest monitor in the world. It's got a VA panel, so hence why it's not that fast. You know, the color reproduction, I'm hoping it's going to be really good, obviously for my video editing. Obviously VA panels are known not for the color accuracy. IPS panels would be better. Equivalent monitor by LG, that would have been an IPS monitor, especially at the 3440 by 1440p. I think it's about 500 odd pounds, and unfortunately I haven't got that in my budget. So that's why I went for the Samsung one. Who knows, in the future, if I get more subscribers and more thumbs up for my videos, and I get over 1,000 subscribers, then I'll start getting money from YouTube, and then I can upgrade my monitor in the future, but who knows. If you'd like to buy this monitor, then have a look in the video description below. I shall leave a link for eBuyer. It was an offer at £299, but then when I checked it earlier on today, it'd gone back up in price to £349. I know you can buy this on Amazon as well. The exact same model, it's still $299 at the moment, and the model up, which is the 552, which has the 75 Hz refresh rate. This is only a 60 Hz refresh rate. So if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below as well. Don't forget, if you want to buy this monitor, hit the video description below for links there. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again on the next one. Bye bye.